you all, so what we did was we took the last of the carpet up. Once we took the last of the carpet up, now we're getting the padding up. And after this, there will be officially no more nasty carpet inside the house. And the floors will be completely ready for a brand new slate. So this should also take the last of the smell out of the house from what was existing. So thank you all for watching the journey. Please make sure you like. Subscribe you all so you can come back. So that way you can see what we get into. So. Alright, so as you were able to see, that is the update on the floor. So I appreciate you all hanging in there with me. This is a Rehabbing with D project that came out of nowhere. And so I want you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we are definitely going to be on the journey. I want you to go with me. We're going to get through some things. We're going to stumble through some things. We are going to tear some things up. And so I want you to be able to stay up with my journey. So please like make a comment. Have you ever got into a situation where you just said, I'm just going to do it myself. I'm just going to start using what experience I have, and or I am going to do some research to get some things done. If so, drop a comment below, let me know. But I would like for you to subscribe to this video, and I appreciate you. Have a good one.